In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to connect Trello to N8N to automate your tasks effortlessly. First, open your workflow in N8N and add the Trello trigger node. This node will react to events in Trello, like when a card is created, moved, or commented on. Next, select the resource you want to monitor, board, list, or card, and pick the operation that triggers your workflow. Then enter the model ID. You can find it in the Trello node details or by appending JSON to your Trello URL. Accuracy here ensures your triggers work perfectly. If you're running N8N locally, Trello needs access to your webhook. Use a tunneling service like Encrux to create a secure connection from the internet to your local setup. This ensures everything communicates smoothly. And that's it. With Trello connected to N8N, you can automate workflows, streamline project management, and save time. Happy automating!